Hello everyone, welcome to the course Nursing Research. I am Yu Liu. I'm from China Medical University School of Nursing. So I'm very happy to be with you to start this new course, Nursing Research. So in this section, we are going to talk about something of the definitions. And these definitions we are going to use along the course. So in this section, I'm going to give several definitions. The first one is research, and second one is definition of nursing, and the last one is definition of nursing research. So when we talk about research, the root meaning of research is search again or examine carefully. So what's the research? Research has been defined as the diligent, systematic inquiry or investigation to validate and refine existing knowledge and generate new knowledge. So from this definition, you can tell research is a well-planned, organized process, and the researcher needs to be trained with knowledge and skill. So that's why we do need to learn some knowledge and skill in this course. When we talk about definition of nursing, we will use the definition from the American Nurses Association. They defined this definition in 2012. And nursing is the protection, promotion, and optimization of health and abilities, and prevention of illness and injury, alleviation of suffering through the diagnosis and treatment of human response, and advocacy in the care of individuals, families, communities, and populations. And from this definition, you will see the scope of nursing. So any research related to the scope, we call nursing research. For example, if your research is to protect, promote, optimize, or prevent illness, then we call nursing research. And also, if your research is going to reduce the pain or the suffering for the nursing class, we also call the research. So from this definition, you will see nursing research is need to generate new knowledge about human response and the best interventions to promote health, prevent illness, and manage illness. And this definition actually tell us the scope of the nursing research. Just like I mentioned before, the nursing is to help our client to promote health, to prevent illness, and manage illness. And I really like this definition from this book. And this book we are going to as the major textbook in this course. It was edited by Dr. Gray, Dr. Grove, and Dr. Sutherland in 2017. In this textbook, they named nursing research as a scientific process that validates and refines existing knowledge and generates new knowledge that directly and indirectly influence the delivery of evidence-based nursing. So from this definition, you will understand nursing research is a scientific process, and we do need to validate and refine existing knowledge and also generate new knowledge, which can be directly and indirectly influence the delivery of evidence-based nursing. So someone may ask me if every nurse should participate in the world of nursing research. I will say the answer is yes. Every nurse should participate in the nursing research. So in this table from the textbook I just mentioned before, the authors, they mentioned something about nurse. Each nurse can participate in the nursing research. So the BSN nurse, they can read and critically appraise studies. They can use best research evidence in practice with guidance. And they also can assist with problem identification and data collection. For MSN nurses, they can critically appraise and synthesize studies to develop and revise protocols, algorithms, and policies for practice. And for DNP nurse, they can participate in evidence-based guideline development and develop, implement, evaluate, and revise as needed protocol, policies, and evidence-based guidelines in practice. They also can conduct clinical studies. And for PhD students, PhD nurses, they assume a major role such as primary investigator in conducting research and contributing to the empirical knowledge generation in a selected study, and obtain initial funding for research, coordinate research teams. And for postdoctoral nurse, they do need to implement a funded program of research and lead and participate in nursing and interdisciplinary research teams and identify as experts in their areas of research, and also mentor PhD prepared researchers. So you will see every nurse, they have their own role in the research, whatever they are in the levels of education. So at the end of this session, I would like to ask you a question. What's the difference between nursing research and the research in other disciplines? Please write down your answers on the discussion board. I'm very looking forward to discuss with you. So thank you for today. See you next time.